LOMVUM Laser Tape Measure. Trade your heavy tape measure for LOMVUM laser measuring tools, which let you simply take measurements with one hand. No matter your job, the laser distance meter will help you measure farther, with greater accuracy, and in more situations, saving you time and money. With laser precision technology, compared to bubble levels, it can be easier to find the horizontal direction. Helps to improve the accuracy of the vertical bevel. Distance measuring range, 0.1 to 393 feet. Extreme accuracy. Plus 1/16 of an inches, switchable among meters. Inches, feet, feet plus inches for a free adjustment. Warm tips. As strong sunlight would weaken laser energy, which might influence the accuracy and measuring range, we recommend that you avoid using it under sunlight unless the light is weak. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Electronic angle sensor. Compared with traditional physical liquid level bubbles, the electronic angle sensor can display the measurement angle in real time, and the measurement data will be more intuitive, more accurate, and easier to find the horizontal direction. Number 2. Spectroscopic lens technology. Use high transmittance, high refractive index, light insect resistance PC material diffusion curved lens, accurate measurement, high speed, low power consumption, and long service life. Number 3. Waterproof and dust proof. Features IP54 waterproof level. Can protect the laser distance measure normally to the maximum extent, which offers a variety of environmental work for using. Number 4. 4 units conversion. Unit switching freely from meters. Inches, feet, feet plus inches improves your measurement efficiency and allows you to measure for different needs. Number 5. 20 data storage. 20 groups data memory ensure you to record accurate measurements. No need to take notes each time. Number 6. Mute function. Mute function allows you to measure in a quiet area such as a library, office, and classroom. Number 7. Multiple measurement modes. 3 measuring reference rear, front, and piece allows you to project single distance, area, volume measurement, continuous measurement, auto level, height measurement, measurement by Pythagoras. Optional side measure button enables much more measuring convenience. Internal memory can store 20 groups measurements. Number 8. LCD backlight and mute setting. Large backlight screen provides you with better visibility in dark areas. A mute setting allows you to turn on or off the measure beep at your will. Broad use for home, construction, and industries, especially in large areas such as rooms, apartments, buildings, real estate, factories, warehouses, etc. Number 9. Package contents. LOMVUM laser measuring device 165 feet, 2 AAA batteries, package box, hand strap, portable bag, user manual, 90-day return refund guarantee, 2-year warranty, and lifetime support with LOMVUM, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.